Hey, welcome back to 5'9" Plus Size Beauty. It's me, Joyce. So, I got a box here that I've been waiting to go ahead and get into. So, this is my second BOXYCHARM box. Second one. So let's just go ahead and, since I've already snooped in the box to see what's in here. So, the first thing is Esmeralda number 2 by Beauty Creations, and it's a palette. Right here, and let's see. I did like the colors when I looked at it the first time, but I just remembered. So this is what it looks like. And here are the colors. Ooh. Let me swatch a couple of them. Try and get some interesting ones. Ooh. Well, I just beat gosh darn. Wow, these are beautiful. So that's the Esmeralda number 2 palette. Alright, let's see what's next. Next, I got a Natasha Denona Peak 5 eyeshadow palette. And this is Natasha Denona. I'm in my beauty room, but I'm at a different angle. I'm actually on my way out to go postmating. Today is Friday the 13th, y'all. And yeah. So I'm gonna swatch all of these, okay, real quick. Let's see what we got. Oh. She did pretty good. Natasha Denona. So that's 2 palettes in this month's BOXYCHARM. Next is a Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. And here it is at the packaging, right here. Doesn't have a smell to me. Doesn't have a smell. That's cool. Next thing is Moda Metallics, a 2-piece Ultimate Eye Sculptor brush, 100% vegan. You won't see it. Come on up. Oh, now this is different. This is like a 3-prong brush. That's different. It's pretty soft. I like the colors. Let me go back and look at this. Moda Metallics. I'm gonna have to look it up. One of them is Crease M16, blend shadows into crease, diffuse colors, or add soft, precise highlight with this fluffy, slightly tapered brush. The other one is called the Triad Eye M27. This unique brush can apply shadows, precisely apply eyeshadows, blend into the crease, and define the lid due to its flat and angled tapered tapered tip. modabrush.com. I'm gonna have to look them up because I ain't never heard of them before. It looks like I've seen them before, maybe in Ulta. So I'm gonna have to check them out. But yeah, those are the two brushes. All right, and the last thing in here is Shea. I know it looks different, but it's pronounced Shea. Come on now. It's pronounced Shea. It's Essential Lip Enhancer. And since I just recently got out of the shower, I'm going to try this lip enhancer by Shea. Conditioning lip treatment. Oh, it does feel good. All right, Shea. All right, so that was this month's BOXYCHARM. All right, so and here's the other stuff that comes in it. What's this? Oh, 25% off. Natasha Denona is treating customers to 25% off site-wide. And then it says, so this is the BOXYCHARM flyer that comes with it, and it just tells you what all comes with the box. Let me see. Natasha Denona Peak Palette, which MSRP's for $48. Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. It's wow, usually retails for $70. Wow. Shea Cosmetics Lips Enhancer usually retails for $17. Beauty Creations Esmeralda 2 Palette usually oh, they're really affordable. Retails for $13.99. And Moda Ultimate Eye Sculptors, they usually retail for $15. So yeah, that's what I got in my BOXYCHARM box. I like what I got. And these two palettes. Now, you know, Natasha Denona is quite has luxury prices, okay? But yeah. All right, so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of my BOXYCHARM for November. It's time for me to go out and make me some more makeup money and skincare and fashion stuff. Yeah. BOXYCHARM. BOXYCHARM. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe. Out.